Magetha ma bũrũri wa Kenya ta kahũa, macani na makorobia gatagati-inĩ ka magetha mangĩ rĩu nĩ megũkorwo na thoko nene bũrũri-inĩ wa China wona mabũrũri ma merĩ marĩkia gwĩkĩranĩra ngirimiti ya kweheria mĩhĩnga ya kĩwonjoria ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo ho.
The president was very clear before the end of this year we will be able to access China market quota free, duty free. All our products, so in Kenya we are competitive in terms of tea, coffee, our horticulture. So those are the floriculture, those are the products that we are already internationally competitive. So what we need is access to bigger markets and larger markets, and China is one of them.
Hĩndĩ ya kũhingũra thitoo ya kĩrĩu mwena wa Tutu City, Hassan augĩte atĩ mabũrũri maya merĩ marĩ na ũhoti mũnene wa kĩwonjoria.
Facility indeed presents a very good opportunity for manufacturers to access international markets. Already the government has signed a couple of agreements that give us an opportunity to access the African markets through AfCFTA, the European market through EU EPA.
Kenya nĩ ĩthiĩte na mbere na kũgacĩrithia ũiguano wayo na mabũrũri mangĩ kwarahũra wonjoria gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
Is like, assembling of electronics items, some of the electronics household, mobiles, those kind of industries I think will be viable because the import duty which has been imposed on all the things, and I think this will be really beneficial to the local market.
Grifotrainoro TV kuma kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu, niĩ njĩtagwo Werũ wa Mwangi.